Are you looking for the best Bluetooth speakers? In this video we will look at some of the best Bluetooth speakers. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Anker Soundcore Flare 2. The Anker Soundcore Flare 2 is the best cheap speaker for bass we've tested. Overall, this portable Bluetooth speaker is a more affordable alternative to our top picks, and it offers a standout bass performance compared to other products at this price point. This speaker reproduces a good amount of bass right out of the box, but its sound customization features help it stand out. Bass lovers can use the Bass Up preset to add more thump to the mix, and the graphic EQ gives you control of the speaker's sound across the frequency range, so you can manually control the amount of rumble you feel. Available in both black and blue color variants, this small speaker has rings of light around its edges, allowing you to set the mood as you listen to your favorite tunes. Thanks to its versatile design, you can bring your music everywhere you go, and the over 8-hour battery life lets you enjoy long listening sessions without interruption. It's small and lightweight and is rated IPX7 for water resistance, which helps protect it if you use it outdoors. It doesn't get as loud as the Anker Soundcore Motion Boom, which is disappointing if you want to fill a larger area with sound, but it's still more than suitable for average-sized rooms. Number 4. Anker Soundcore Motion Boom. The Anker Soundcore Motion Boom is a budget-friendly pick for bass lovers. Like the Tribit StormBox Blast, this speaker comes in a portable boombox-style design that's great for bringing the party wherever you go. It isn't as well built as our more premium picks on the list, though, and it lacks customizable RGB lights to set the mood at your next event. However, it may be of better value if you don't plan to use those features in the first place. For its price, this speaker brings a solid amount of bass, ensuring you feel the punch in bass-heavy tracks like EDM and hip-hop. If you want a different sound, there are a lot of customization tools on hand. There's a bass button right on the speaker itself, which you can use to add more punch to your tunes. You can also access a graphic EQ and presets through the speaker's companion app, which lets you switch up its sound across the whole range. If you love the style of the speaker, its more premium cousin, the Anker Soundcore Motion Boom Plus, may also be worth a look. It outputs more bass but is more expensive than this budget-friendly offering. Number 3. Tribit StormBox Blast. The Tribit StormBox Blast is the best portable speaker with bass when it comes to getting some bang for your buck. This boombox-style speaker comes in a small and compact design, but don't let that fool you, it really packs a punch. With an impressive low-frequency extension for the price, this speaker can reproduce all the deep thump and rumble in EDM and hip-hop tracks. A little extra warmth in the mix adds punch, which is a nice touch. Thanks to the graphic EQ and presets in its companion app, you can add more bass if you want. The X-Bass setting will be especially handy for bass lovers. With a more portable design, this speaker is an even better choice than our top picks for listening on the go. It also comes with customizable RGB lights, so it's still more than suitable for rocking out at your next big party. It doesn't come with a microphone or guitar inputs, so it's less suitable for karaoke lovers and aspiring musicians. Additionally, its low-frequency extension isn't as impressive as the JBL PartyBox Encore Essential, so you'll notice a little less thump in the low bass with rumbling tracks. But if you don't want to spend as much on a speaker, it's a solid pick. Number 2. JBL PartyBox Encore Essential. If you're looking for a more affordable Bluetooth speaker with a booming bass, you'll want to check out the JBL PartyBox Encore Essential. This smaller, more lightweight party speaker has a built-in carrying handle, so it's an even more portable alternative to the JBL PartyBox 310. If you love to host parties, this speaker is another great choice since it comes with many of the same features as its more premium cousin, like microphone and guitar inputs, as well as customizable RGB lights. You can even switch up its sound thanks to its graphic EQ. That said, you may find that you don't even need those customization tools in the first place. Right out of the box, this speaker puts out plenty of thump in the low bass, especially compared to similarly priced models, though its low-frequency extension falls a touch short of the mightier PartyBox 310. It also reproduces mid-range sounds like vocals clearly and accurately. That said, it doesn't get as loud as its more premium cousin, and it has some more compression when pushed to max volume. It's also not the most stylish looking, which is fine as it's designed to accompany you both indoors and outdoors. But if you know you'll only be using your speaker indoors, the Harman/Kardon Onyx Studio 9 is worth checking out. It puts out plenty of punch and boom, but its battery life is shorter than our picks, and it isn't water resistant. Number 1. JBL PartyBox 310. The best Bluetooth speaker for bass we've tested is the JBL PartyBox 310. This large and powerful speaker brings out all the thump and rumble in your favorite tunes so you can party in the comfort of your home. Bass lovers can take advantage of all the extra customization tools available, too, including a bass boost feature to pump up the boom and a more traditional graphic EQ to switch up its sound across the range. Even with all that energy in the bass range, vocals and other instruments are still clear and accurate in the mix, ensuring a great sound quality with all your audio content. As its name implies, this speaker is designed with parties in mind. It boasts many cool features you won't find with more traditional speakers, including microphone and guitar inputs for when you want to host your next sing-along. The circular RGB lights on the front of the speaker are customizable, too, so you can set the mood with the right colors and patterns. Karaoke and DJ settings are also available in the speaker's companion app. If you don't need a companion app or all those party-centered bells and whistles or are just looking for something that's a bit better suited to at-home listening, the Harman/Kardon Go Plus Play 3 is a more portable alternative. This speaker puts out well-balanced low-end and is pretty stylish, too. However, it's smaller than the PartyBox 310, so it doesn't reproduce as much thump and rumble as our pick.